Okay, moving on to the next question. What do you think about EQB's valuation today? So EQB is a funny one because if we go here and we go to EQB, I believe it's lost all of its gains since it reported its earnings. Yeah, so it reported its earnings, shot up to $82, and then ran all the way up here to about $85 a share, and now it is down 10%. So it's lost all of its earnings gains, and I thought the earnings were incredible. So what do I think about the valuation today? So how I think about this, one way I look at it is I want to look at the company's price to earnings ratio versus its historical averages. I like to go over the past decade. I think that gives a long time frame on the company's volatility and how the market is valued over time. So currently, Equitable Bank's price to earnings ratio, GAAP price to earnings ratio, is 8.4. Its average over the past decade has been about 7.8. So relative to its historical averages, it is above where it has historically traded. You could argue that would mean it is selling above fair value right now or is on the more expensive end. Now, personally, I like to take this into consideration, but I also like to just go and take a look at things one second, as they are. So let's take a look at the company's earnings yield right now. The company still has an earnings yield of 11.12%. So if it wanted to pay out all of its earnings as a dividend, it could pay me a 12% dividend right now, which I'm very happy with. So that's how much the business itself is actually generating, is 12% for the shareholders on its price today. I really like that. And then also this business is growing its net income over the past decade at a 15.6% compounded annual growth rate. You can see that it's at an all-time high right now. So that's basically a 12% earnings yield today for a business growing its net income by 15.6% per year. Personally, I like that. I think that's pretty good for me. So I don't mind its valuation today personally. Those are the reasons why. And I'm holding on to my shares. I believe in my video that I made on EQB, I said I'm not looking to buy more shares right now because it is a pretty big position of mine. So yeah, I'm not looking to buy more shares, but I'm just holding on to it.
Mr. Banks.
Mr. Bank. Yep.
I did post a link. Daniel did talk about EQB's earnings in Stock Talk episode 42. Unfortunately, it looks like YouTube broke my comment into two. However, both on Spotify and on this YouTube channel, you can check out episode 42. And we do have the timestamps in the comments and also on Spotify chaptered out. So if you want to bookmark that for after the stream, I suggest go checking it out.